This is a gorgeous metallic blue wave frame clear Magsafe case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I was sent a review from Gviewin. So let me show you a closer look. A hard PC back with quite firm TPU bumpers. Just so cool. This is a gorgeous crystal clear case. I love how it covers everything, even the lenses. These are covered. They are not open. Only over here, these three are open. Let's go ahead and pop it in a blue 17 Pro Max to show you how that will look. There is a protective film. Don't forget to take that off. Wow. Oh, that's so pretty. And of course, whatever color you actually ordered will come through and just be absolutely gorgeous with the outline kind of frame of the blue. Wow. And I mean, how unique and fun is that wave design? Not only is it gorgeous and it really stands out as a unique case, it's also kind of like ergonomic or something. I mean, it like fits your fingers in there, like really cool. It's not grippy. This is definitely a metallic plastic on the rims here, but it's just stunning case. Oh, I love it. Perfectly cut out there for your cameras, but again, they are covered, so it's gonna keep them really nice and clean. Your buttons are clicky and covered. Here's a look at the inside as well. Your action camera is actually covered. I couldn't tell when the phone was in it, but wow, it's covered, but going to work perfectly because of how it's designed like that. Very cool. Your port is open. Your speakers are precisely cut out to really help keep the dirt and dust out. These buttons over here are covered and clicky. That perfect metallic color, just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You do have a nice bezel to help protect your screen, and we don't have to worry about any bezels over here because those are covered, but you do have bezels to protect over here. Of course, this is a magnetic case, you can obviously see, but let's test it out with this Magsafe car phone mount. Yes, super strong, and it's going to work with wireless charging as well. If you're looking for a stunning Magsafe metallic look, clear, wave designed case for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, this is an amazing one from Gviewin. I love it, and I know you will too.